Welcome to Unique Build Lab. Today in the video, we are deep inside a peaceful forest where the construction of a remarkable treehouse cabin is beginning. Here we will see how David is building his dream retreat entirely by hand, working alone in nature with patience, dedication, and a passion for creating something from scratch. The wooden planks are being measured and cut to precise lengths, ensuring each piece fits perfectly so that the structure remains balanced and secure. A series of small wooden boards are being firmly nailed in place, so that the frame will gradually take shape and form a strong, stable foundation for the treehouse. The board that is nailed to the tree is being carefully tested by David as he stands on it, ensuring that it can support the entire weight of the future treehouse structure. Long wooden logs are being assembled into a frame, creating the base structure that will support the entire treehouse, ensuring a sturdy and long-lasting foundation. The base structure is being firmly anchored to the tree, and on both sides, two additional supports are being installed underneath, ensuring the entire structure is stable and secure for the long term. First, two large logs are being used to build the initial structure, and then it is being extended with 4 additional logs, so that the frame grows stronger and wider, providing more support for the cabin. The structure is being covered with wooden planks, which are being firmly nailed down with no gaps, creating a smooth and sturdy floor that will form the foundation of the cabin's interior. Once the entire floor is being completed with the planks, the excess wooden piece along the side is being evenly cut away, ensuring a clean, balanced edge along the structure. At each corner of the floor, total 4 strong, tall wooden posts are being firmly set in place, which will help form the structure of the house and support the walls as they rise around it. Many planks are being raised onto the structure, and each board is being placed horizontally between the wooden pillars, so that the walls begin to form steadily and securely around the base. The front wooden wall is being carefully cut plank by plank, so that a precise opening is created, leaving space for the door to be installed later, ensuring a perfect fit. He is making a correction as the side wooden wall is being adjusted, and the planks are being cut now so that a window gap is created, allowing a perfect space for the window to be installed. On the front side as well, next to the door, the wooden planks are being cut for a window, which adds a beautiful, symmetrical detail to the front of the cabin. Next, the wooden planks and logs are being measured and cut precisely, so that the roof structure can be built to fit perfectly on top of the cabin, providing a strong and weatherproof covering. A 5-piece wooden structure is being assembled in a triangular shape, which will be placed on top of the cabin for the roof. But the challenge is that it is being lifted carefully into position so that it fits exactly. Two holes are being carefully cut into the left wall and 2 more into the right wall, so that long wooden logs can be passed through from one side of the cabin to the other. Wooden planks are then being placed on top of these supports, creating a secure working platform for the roof construction, ensuring both safety and stability. Now, the roof structures are being placed one by one in their exact positions, ensuring each piece fits perfectly and aligns securely with the structure below, creating a solid and precise roof frame. The extra wooden pieces on the roof structure are being cut away one by one, so that the roof frame is cleaned up and aligned perfectly, giving it a smooth and balanced finish. The wooden planks are being placed evenly one by one on top of the roof structure, ensuring a balanced and smooth surface that will form a solid base for the final roofing. The extra parts of the planks on the roof structure are being cut away, and a beautiful decorative piece is being added at the front, giving the roof a polished look. The roof is almost ready, but a waterproof layer still needs to be applied. After covering the roof with a waterproof layer, wooden logs are being nailed down on top, so that the waterproof covering stays firmly in place and does not shift even after heavy rain. If you think the structure is finished, you are mistaken. Now, he has brought two long beams from the tree and placed them on both sides at the front, so that the roof structure can extend outward, giving a beautiful balcony look to the front. Just like he built the roof structure before, he is now constructing the front roof frame in the same way, ensuring it is balanced and aligned, so that the balcony and roof extend seamlessly together. He is starting to build the window structure with wooden planks, creating a frame that will fit into the wall opening as a window, and he is trying to make it with a transparent material so that it lets light in. Finally, the transparent window he created is being fitted perfectly into its place, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Because it is transparent, it gives the cabin an even more stunning, light-filled appearance. Without a door, a house or cabin is never complete, so he is now crafting a door using wooden planks, ensuring it will fit perfectly and complete the entrance to his cabin. After making the door, he lightly scorched the front side over a fire, darkening it just enough so that the top surface turns black. This strengthens the door and gives it a blackish tone, adding a beautiful, rich, and striking finish to the entrance. The door fits perfectly into its position, and the blackish tone looks absolutely stunning, adding a rich and elegant character to the entire cabin entrance. He is now building a bed that will be placed inside the cabin, creating a peaceful resting spot where he can relax fully within his treehouse sanctuary. He is placing soft moss from the tree on top of the bed, creating a gentle layer so that the bed becomes a cozy, soft resting place inside his treehouse. He has placed the bed carefully inside his wooden cabin, and although there was a bit of noise during the adjustment, it is now soft and truly comfortable, providing a relaxing place to rest. The balcony structure is not yet complete, so he is adding some wooden pieces to finish it, ensuring the balcony is fully supported and stable, ready for use and to add charm to the cabin. He is building a set of stairs to get up and down from the treehouse, making them strong and visually appealing by using thick tree logs as the main supports, ensuring the steps are both durable and beautiful.